Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use ChatGPT Voice feature. When you're in ChatGPT, you're going to come over to the input area, and at the bottom right corner you can see the microphone and the voice mode. It looks like a waveform and we can click on it. It's going to ask you for permission to use your microphone if it's the first time, so you can say allow. So once you're here, all you'll need to do is to unmute the microphone. Once you do that, ChatGPT Voice mode will be listening to your conversation and will respond to you. Let's try an example. Hello, what's the best way to cross the ocean?
Well, if you're feeling adventurous, a cruise ship is a pretty relaxing way to do it. If you're in a hurry, a plane is definitely the fastest. And if you're really adventurous, maybe you could try building a raft, but I wouldn't recommend that one.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions or just want to chat, I'm here for it.
So, this is how you get to use the voice chat feature. It feels really personalized and the voice mode is really great. The voice also sounds natural, and once you're done talking, you can mute the microphone so it doesn't respond to you. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.